What do we mean by दूध का दूध or पानी का पानी, Urdu and Hindi idiom? In this ifactner's learning video tutorial, we will find out the meaning of दूध का दूध and पानी का पानी, and we will also discuss when do we use this idiom. We will use this idiom in a Urdu and Hindi sentence and then translate that sentence in English. Let's start our tutorial. दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी. Literal meaning of दूध का दूध or पानी का पानी is milk of milk and water of water. But what does it mean? It means असल हकीकत का पता चलना. That is, finding out the truth. When do we use this idiom? We use this idiom when we are saying that let's do this thing and then we will find out the truth. For example, if someone has stolen something in a class and the teacher says, सबके बस्ते चेक करो, अभी दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाएगा, then it means check everyone's bags and we will find out the truth. So we will find out who is the thief. So we use दूध का दूध and पानी का पानी idiom when we want to say let's do this work and we will find out the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. I will see you in the next tutorial. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.